Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be installing a glass screen protector on my Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I picked these up on eBay. I think they were about $14.99. They can be found on Amazon as well. I picked up a 2-pack just in case I mess up, and if everything goes smoothly I will have an extra one. So this one does come with an applicator as well, which is very nice because you don't have to worry about lining it up and it being all crooked. Let me get it out of the box here. So this comes with the applicator to line everything up. I have the plastic one on my Note now, which they scratch very easily, so we're not going to keep that. Let's see, so here's the applicator. Here's your two screen protectors right here. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off. I'm going to try to be as careful as possible and just peel this one off and put the other one right back on so I don't have to worry about getting anything under it. Let's see how this goes. Let's see. Looks like this is the top right here because the cutouts for the buttons are on the other side. Alright, so it snaps on. I might have to take the other one off first. No, I might be able to get to it. Let's see. So here's our install kit. You get a wipe, dust removal stickers, and a microfiber cloth. The instructions are on the back here. Clean the screen, remove the adhesive cover from the back of the screen protector. Carefully place the screen protector onto your device by aligning cutouts and edges to the screen. Press the center and let the glass adhere to the screen. Alright. Place your device on a stable surface with the screen facing up. Let me see, I have to pop this one off. I really don't know if that was even a screen protector or if Samsung just had a piece of plastic on it that was really not noticeable. There were some specks of dust on it, so going to go ahead and wipe it off. Dry it with the cloth. I still see some dust on the screen. Last thing you want to do is get dust under these because it is very noticeable. Let's see, we're going to take our stickers. Make sure we get all that dust off. Sorry if you can't see it, I'm trying not to move the phone around too much and get dust kicked up off the table. Yeah, that plastic they pre-install on there, just like I had it in my pocket for an hour and I pulled it out and it was noticeably scratched. Alright, so we're going to go with that. Let's see, here's the top. It's got the logo on the top, or the phone on the top, the name. Let's see, so we're going to do that. I see one more piece up there. Wait for the screen to turn off so I can see it. Let's see. That looks good. So we're going to go ahead and remove this right here. Take that off and just align it as so. push the middle. Let's see, all that stuff you see right there is on the top. Let's see, so I'm going to take this off. And let's see, let's grab that cloth again. Just wipe it down. Looks like it's pretty lined up. Let's see. Excuse me. I might have to reopen up. There it goes. So the fingerprint sensor does have a little cutout. It looks a little dirty under there. I don't know why, because I didn't touch that area, but you can see it right there. Something is there on the bottom. It appears to be working right now, though. I may just re-add the fingerprint with it like that, and we'll see how it goes. But that is the screen protector. I'll link it down in the description below. It went on pretty easy. There's really no edge that you can feel. I mean, it's there a little bit, but it went on very clean and very easily. So definitely worth it. I'll link it down below. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.